What's up, viewers? IMVP here. Went to the card shop today. Bought a box of Tier 1. Gonna test my luck. See if it's any better luck than what I'm having with the redemption situation right now. However, I did post a thread on Blowout, and they said some of the guys were saying it might just be an error on the site. So they think I might still get that auto and to not freak out just yet. So we'll see what happens when I get it in the mail, and if it was worthy of a freak out, or if I'm a jerk and owe Topps an apology or not. So here we go, Tier 1. This is the first time I've done a personal break of this. I don't know. Here's the pack, so we'll see what happens here. I don't really know the order of how anything goes here, so I got something to dummy the back with. Good enough. So front we got a awesome. You can tell I do this all the time. Prince Fielder base. Ah, the beard. Nice. The beard base, $7.99. Kyle Crawford base, $7.99. Oh, not bad. I like that. Josh Hamilton /99 autograph in there, so that's nice. Hector Noesi autograph, nice. Not bad, numbered to $9.99. And then this should be the game used. Frank Robinson. Yep, to $3.99. Looks like some jersey in there. And then the back, my parallel, got a nice one there. Joe DiMaggio out of $1.99. Nothing huge, but overall I think I did all right. Not bad. Again, the hits. Oh, Frank Robinson, I'm an idiot. I should restart this video, but I'll take the hate. Brooks Robinson. That's not Frank Robinson. Frank Robinson has a different skin tone. So there's the one hit, the Brooks Robinson. Not Frank, that's Brooks. Out of $3.99. That's some old jersey in there too. The Hector Noesi it's on the rise out of $9.99, so it's alright. And then we got this Josh Hamilton. Oh, it's a top tier autographs. So out of 99. So not bad. I'll take it. Pretty sweet. 46 out of 99. And then the parallel was the Joe DiMaggio. So thanks for watching. Look for a video coming of when I finally get that Reggie in the mail. Later.